Welcome to our podcast series, Chandelier Moments with Di. It's a tough world out there, and this podcast series is dedicated to sharing Pasifika success that have mastered resilience, the ability to deal with challenges and disappointments, so we can break through to unleash our greatness. I call it the Chandelier Moments experience, where all the light bulbs are lit. Mastering resilience is a key skill in today's world. It's how to deal with external forces and develop under change. My mission is to empower, inspire, and to share the success of our Pasifika people in sports, politics, academia, arts, media, and entrepreneurship that have weathered resilience. Join me on this journey of discovery, chandelier moments, and transformations. Feel free to share your stories as we grow this community together.